Alright, today we are going to learn how to make a Pinterest board. Here on my Pinterest account, I click on my profile. And then we press this plus sign to add a board to my account. And this board we are going to make for teaching ideas. We click Create, and then we can add pins to this board. So we want to search 4th grade lesson ideas. We're going to search that in the search bar. And this 4th grade guided math looks interesting. So we're going to click this little pin here that says Save. And here we're going to choose a board that we just created. Press plus. And